Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim. I'm a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today I'm going to show you how we can create realistic dense layers in Zbrush and how we can bring back into Character Creator 4. You guys may be thinking that very dense mesh don't work in Character Creator and IClone, but actually I will show you how you can create very realistic dense layers and how you can use these dense layers for the animations. And these dense layers can also be work in game engines like Unity 3D and especially Unreal Engine. But these dense layers maybe don't work in mobile games and PC games maybe. But for the animation, yes, we can use very dense meshes inside iClone as well. We can use these dense meshes or dense hairs into Character Creator and Unreal Engine. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can create these dense realistic hairs and how we can bring back to Character Creator 4, and I will also animate the character and show you that this is possible to create dense hairs, and this is possible to use these dense hairs for our animations inside Character Creator or iClone. So I'm gonna send the character to Zbrush. Just load the character and make sure to increase the brush draw size. This should be 100% and this should be around 50%. You can also increase or decrease the canvas size. Now just make sure to enable the symmetry and subdivide the model 2 or 3 times. And just hold down the control key and paint the head. If you guys don't know about the masking and fiber mesh, for the fiber mesh we actually have to define the area where we want to grow the fiber mesh or hairs. So for this reason we use masking, because on this mask area we will grow our hairs. So this is very important that first you have to select the first you have to mask the area, and then you can generate your hairs on the masked area. And if accidentally you mask the wrong way, you can remove it. Just hold down the control and alt key and again paint the area, and you will erase the masking. Please make sure to remove the masking from the ears and from the back side of the ear as well. Okay, the masking is done now, and now we have to go to the fiber mesh section and just hit the preview button and open the modifiers and just click on the modifier button. First we have to increase this by mask slider to 5, so our hairs only will be our hairs will be generated only inside the mask area, and if we decrease it, you can see our hairs are grown outside the mask area. So this is why we have to increase it fully, and we also have to decrease this slider. Actually we have to decrease this slider as well. And for the length, we must decrease the length for the fibers, maybe 20 or 10, and we can increase the fiber mesh here. We can also play with the gravity and the variation. 0.3 is okay. We can also increase or decrease the coverage size, so I'm gonna just decrease it by 0.5, and I'm gonna increase the fibers. 100 is okay, and you can see 100 is still very dense. We can also play with the length settings. We can also increase the segments of our hairs. Now you can see we have very nice curly hairs. Okay, the length is okay. Maybe we can decrease the variation. Okay, I like the hairs. Now first you can see we have very dense mesh here. You can see it's around 1 lakh points, and we can also decrease more. Maybe we can try 150, and now accept it. After accepting, we have to generate our UVs for these fibers. So later we can also apply some textures and alpha maps if we want. And now we are happy. Just hit this Gozi button to send the character to character creator. Wait for a few seconds to load the mesh. Now I'm importing the mesh as accessory. Okay, our very dense mesh is now imported in the character creator. We can add any textures to it. I already have created this texture. I have created this texture in Adobe After Effects using CC hair preset. So just create a simple solid layer in your composition and create set the preset called CC hair and apply it. You can increase or decrease the length from this from the preset, and you can also add variation or randomness by increasing the noise slider, and you will get results something like this. And from the sides I also have blurred it, so it's looking more natural. So guys, here you can see we have very realistic dense hairs on our mesh, and you can see it's looking very realistic, and performance is not very bad. Guys, you can see I also have opacity map for this hairs, because I exported this color map with the transparency in the PNG file. So this is why the opacity automatically added to the opacity channel, and this is why it's lagging. If I select the opacity and decrease the opacity strength, you can see the lagging issue is not very much, and it's very much smoother than before. And you can see if I increase the strength of the opacity again, the hairs are looking very natural and realistic, but the performance in the viewport is a little bit jaggy. So while animating your character, just decrease the opacity, and when you have done all the animation and now you are gonna render, just click the opacity map and make it full. So now you will get, so this is how you will get realistic hairs in the rendering. So let me just quickly decrease the opacity strength and show you any animation. Before actually animating, we have to link this mesh to the character head. For this, just create the hairs and beard as a accessory. Just select this accessory template and hit apply, and now we can add any motion to our character. Okay, we still have this issue. Now we have to attach it to the character's head. For this, just go to this modifier section, and here you will find the attach button. Pick the parent and click on the head, so our hairs will be attached to the head, and now we can animate our character with our hairs. Okay, here I'm gonna play and see. You can imagine that we have very dense hairs on our character, and you can see animation is working very well. For more good performance, we can also enable the auxiliary light. So here you can see we have now a very smooth animation, and please remember that we have very smooth animation, but we have this smooth animation with very dense hairs. You can see this is very the polygons are very much it's maybe too much. So this is how, guys, you can create realistic very dense hairs in Zbrush and bring back to character creator and animate your character with the realistic dense hairs. And I hope guys you like the tutorial and you like my effort, and if you like it, please like the video and stay tuned with me for new upcoming artistic ideas and some tips and tricks, some problem solving solutions, and some free models as well. So guys, just stick to my channel. I will share some cool free 3D models. If you already have seen my work, you know the quality of my work, and if you guys are new on the channel, just find some hair tutorial on my channel, and under description you will get free link for the realistic models. I upload so many models on some 3D platforms, and so many models are free, so you can use these models for your characters and for your own commercial projects. You have all the rights. So guys, just stick to my channel for more upcoming free artworks and ideas, and I will see you in the new art.